Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install an advanced garage script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into our FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here. Now to download the script, you just need to click over here. Then click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Now open the file, go to config, then open the general.lua. So when you preview the garage, you will see the model of the vehicles which is written over here in the garage, as you can see. If you want, you can change the vehicles model from here. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now open the garages.lua. So in here, these are the locations of the garages, as you can see. If you want, you can add or remove any garages from here. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now when we open the map, we can see the blips of the garages over here. So let's go to this garage which is over here. Okay, so now you can see the garage which is over here. So to interact with it, we just need to press E. Now over here we will get two options. First one is for preview, the second one is for buy the garage. So let's preview the garage first. So as you can see, this is the first look of our garage which is over here. And this will look like this when we add our vehicles in it. So now let's exit the garage. To exit the garage, we just need to come over here and then press E. Now let's buy the garage. For that, we just need to press E, and this is the amount which we have to pay to buy the garage. So currently I don't have any money, so let's add some money. Now press E, then click on buy garage. So as you can see over here, we have successfully purchased the garage. Now press E, then click on enter garage. So in here we have to choose the floor. So I'll be choosing the first floor, then click on confirm. So this is the look of our garage from the inside after we purchase the garage. So I have my vehicle over here. To make the vehicle enter into the garage, we just need to come to this red blip which is over here, then press E. So our vehicle got parked into the garage.
Oh, sorry, that must have hurt.
Now come over here. Let's enter into the garage. So as you can see, our vehicle over here inside the garage. And also you can see the status of the vehicle over here. So let's check out the vehicle outside. Okay, as you can see, we got our vehicle over here. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.